The main major differences between a basic online course and other multi-level. According to quality standards and best international practices, online courses are categorized into two levels. Full online course, blended, full and distance, and basic online course. We will discuss today the basic level. Online courses mainly consist of the following components. We have guiding information for the student in the course, and we have two main components for the guiding information here. We have the Start Here page and the course guide page. And the course lessons, this is the major part of the online course material. And for the course lessons, you have the objectives of the lesson, the electronic material of the lesson, and the activities for this lesson, and the assessments. Then, now, what are the components of each item? It means what are the components for the Start Here page, what are the components of the course guide page, what are the components for the objectives, the material, what are the components of the electronic materials, the activities, and the assessments. We will get to know them after viewing the Quality Matters standards. What is a Quality Matters standard? I present now the Quality Matters standard overview. What is Quality Matters? Who are the most prominent implementer of Quality Matters in the world? The most prominent implementer of Quality Matters in the world for online courses, we have Canada, United States of America, Kingdom Saudi Arabia, China, and Australia. These are the main implementer in the world for Quality Matters. And the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is one of them. Even Blackboard has accommodated the standards of Quality Matters for online courses. The standards of Quality Matters for building online courses, basic standards, course overview and introduction, learning objectives, assessment and measurement, instructional materials, accessibility and usability, course technology, learner support, and course activities and learner interaction. This is the basic standards for any online courses according to Quality Matters. Course overview and introduction. And the course's introduction determines the path which will be followed by the course, allows the student to know what is expected from them, and provides them with guide that guarantees them to a good start. Learning objectives. Learning objectives construct the foundation in which the rest of the course will be based on. Assessment and measurement. The assessment is utilized in a way that doesn't only allow the teacher or the instructor to know the extent of student mastery of the content, but also allows students themselves to measure their progress during the period of their learning of the course. Instructional material. Really, the instructional material form the core of any online course. And the standards here respect the teacher's right to choose them. This standard also pays attention to the material alignment with the course objectives and competencies instead of taking care of giving qualitative judgment on the content of the material. Course activities and learners interaction. This will engage the student to be more interactive and contribute in the learning process and in the student perseverance and hard work. Course technology, the easy-to-use technology that makes various course content available to students. This will facilitate the student learning experience instead of being an obstacle in their learning or progress path. And learner support. The learner support standard addresses 4 types of support services. The student will need really technical support, then academic support and student support services. Accessibility and usability. This standard combines universal design for learning principle and is aligned with the guideline for reaching the online content. Then the answer, basic online course according to Quality Matters consists of Start Here page for any online course, and this Start Here page will contain the following items: welcome message, course overview, course tour, student guide, and an icebreaker. This is a component this is suggested component for a Start Here page, and a course guide which include a course description, instructor information, course calendar, learning resources, and course guideline. The course lessons, which includes learning objectives for each lesson and the learning roadmap for this lesson or this lecture. Inside the learning roadmap, you will find the materials or the electronic materials, the activities, and the assessments. These are the basic online courses component. Then essentially, any basic online course should have at least these 3 main components: Start Here page, course guide, and course lessons. Inside each page, you should have these items. We will go in more detail now for each type of these pages. Then develop and deliver a basic online course. What are the necessary knowledge and skills for building a basic online course? Okay, having the pedagogical knowledge and technical skills for building and guiding information section in basic courses, awareness of the basic online courses component, having the pedagogical and knowledge and technical skills for building a basic online lesson. This is the necessary knowledge and skills